Good morning.
Good morning. We're already out by the pool. Getting our day started early. It's our last day on the cruise. And so we're going to enjoy every moment of it. Although it is a little cloudy and I already felt a raindrop, but hopefully it'll pass soon.
Yeah. Seems like every cruise we go on now, right?
Yeah.
Every cruise. And we went years and never had no rain. But anyway.
But it's definitely a lot going on the ship today that we might do, and then who knows, we might just sit here and relax.
Yep. All right, we'll bring it to you. Say bye. Thank God we got a pretty good sized balcony. It's covered all the way to the top. Next up, the Platinum Diamond Party. It's inside the ship, so we're good. I can just look at that all day long. Alright, we're heading to the Platinum Diamond. That was upside down, wasn't it? Oh, well, you know what I mean. We're going to the Platinum Diamond Party. So that's both parties, not just the Diamond Party. And It's in the liquid lounge, which is hard as it's raining right now. It could be a liquid lounge by the time we get there. So we'll see you there. Oh, it's, by the way, it's the best part, free drinks. They don't count towards your package. Not that we've ever drank our package, but anyway, we'll see you down there. Congratulations.
Cause you never heard of Marshall USA. Miss Kitty, have you ever thought of running away? Settling down with you, marry me. If I ask you twice, I'll make you pretty. Never felt a feeling that was quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Awesome. And also I want to recognize all of our milestoners, those who are celebrating.
From day one, this was the feeling of family. It's a wonderful feeling. And it flows all the way down the line.
For Alex. Next up, your guest services manager, Christina. Your beverage operations manager, Clifton. Your food and beverage director, Raj. Our staff captain, Marco. Our hotel director, Corey. And now he is the myth, he is the legend. And he is known as the master of the vessel. Let's hear it for our captain, Captain Francesco!
All right, we're heading to dinner.
We're going to dinner. We're really not hungry after we've been eating all day long because it's been raining outside. So we're not hungry, but we're going to dinner to say goodbye to all of our friends. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you at dinner. I'll bring you the menu
Yep.
right now. Green tomatoes as her first appetizer. I got a giant bowl of minestrone. They just do it in one bowl. They got nothing.
The bread was good.
Minestrone. Berries. Enchilada. That's her entree with some rice. I got pork chop. Mashed taters. I've got pork chop with the mashed taters.
For my appetizer.
Finally got his appetizer. Max's main entree, steak. Shocker.
We have done our best. Every ship will go, it's going. Every song will sing, we sing for you. You're leaving our friendship. We want to stay back.
Shocky.
are with Kim.
Hello, what's up?
Kim was born and raised in Philly.
Philippines.
Anyway, so if you want a drink, a good chocolate martini, come see Kim at the Atrium. Well, it's not really the Atrium Bar. What is this called, Kim?
Atrium Bar, lobby.
Oh, Lobby Bar. There you go. Yeah, so he makes one of the best. So when you going home? When you going home from here?
January 25th.
So you got a long
Next year.
time. It's only now August, so you got a long time to come see Kim. So make sure you come see him at the bar.
All right, I'll see you here, guys.
Yep, and then ask him to do a trick with the chocolate martini.
I
You'll
will.
see.
Let's throw some ice.
No, don't let him throw no ice.
Okay,
He hits
okay.
you with it.
Full, very full.
All right, buddy. We'll see you later.
Thank you, thank you.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, and there's this
Mr.
guy.
Ari.
Harry, that guy.
You can ask him his
Anyway, what's your favorite YouTube channel there,
My
Kim?
favorite YouTube channel is the Party of the Cruising.
Oh, buddy, up to
Don't
cruising.
forget
Yeah.
to hit the bell button and hit the follow.
Exactly. So when in Philly, go see Kim.
All right.
See ya. Here we are in the atrium, and it's very loud, as you can tell. And it's that time, chocolate martini time, and we drink these because they're so good.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Max don't have one.
No. So anyway, last night we get off in the morning, and next up, Alaska, and that'll be on September 6th. Flying out the 4th, but we're gonna get on the ship on the 6th. That's a 10-day to Alaska,
Yeah.
and we'll bring that to you. But you already knew that.
Right now, cheers.
Right. Cheers. We already cheered. We're gonna cheer again. All right. Well, good night. Say good night.
Oh,
Say good night.
good night. I said good night.
He doesn't pay attention. See you later. We're out. Good night, gang. Sleep tight. See you in the morning. Yep. That's when we're getting off.